Hi guys, how are you? This is Julia from JDL Media. This is my first video. I've been working with Yahoo Gemini for about 3 weeks. I had really hard time with the pixel. I had some major issues. Once it didn't work, it didn't track all the conversion, and I found out the reason why. I didn't find on the line any other video, so I wanted to help everyone else not having the same mistake and not having the same issue that I had. So now we will start. The first thing you want to do is go to view.tag-code, okay? This is the tag given by Yahoo. This is the default tag. You have two options. Let's say you have two different campaigns, all right? That this is for client A and you want another pixel for client B. What you can do is place this one for client A. Here you can create another dot tag. What I did is just here view list of dot tags and create another tag. This is only if you don't want to mix between two of the campaigns. All right. Now, what we want to do first of all is, do you see this script? This is what you want to place on your website between the head and the head. You can put it in any pages you want. I only placed it in the thank you page on the button where you press, register. This is where the pixel fires. Now, at first we used to use the image, but it made a lot of mistakes and it did not register any of the conversions. So I simply recommend use the JavaScript one. Okay, once you've done the step one, now we're going to create the rule. You have the pixel, now you will need to go in the micro. All right, so what we do is you want to go share library and conversion rules. What we will do right now is create a conversion rule. So we will press on new rule. Usually if you have an app, so this is what you want to use. If you want to track leads, you just press website URL, choose the name that you want to give the pixel, the rule. Okay, if you want to purchase sign up leads, I choose lead, of course. I do not give any value assigned because all the values are the same for me. If you have campaigns with different values, you can choose how much it costs, $2, $3, or this one is a bit difficult because you need to add another code on your website. If you just want to track leads, I simply suggest you to use this one. It's the best. Now here, do you remember when we go to the dot tag, you had a possibility to choose Gemini default tag. This is what I use. And if you want to use another campaign, then you will have here two options. But right now I only have one. So you choose the dot tag. Here is where I had an issue. All right, this is the tricky part for some. I know a lot have had these issues. Here on the page URL, you will choose the word contains. All right, and you don't need to put, see, at first I put all the URL, but it's a mistake. You just need to put one of the characters in. So what I did, I just left the word success and put it create. All right. Once I placed it on my website, I created the rule. Now see all these. I created the rule. The third thing we want to do, go back to our ads. All right. Let's say we want to use any of the ads. We will choose the first one. You have two choices. Either you do it while you are building the campaign. It will be in one of the characters. Or here, if you already built the campaign, here you go to edit conversion rule. You choose the rule you want. Mine is already there. It's default. And that's it, guys. It's as easy, as simple as that. Or another way to place the pixel, you go inside of the campaign you want. You press edit, you scroll down. It's like if you create a new campaign, you scroll down, and here, my friends, you have the conversion tracking tag, which is the Gemini default, and conversion rule. Any rule you want, you can add. It's here and it's very simple. Now, once you have placed the pixel on your thank you page or any other page you want, it can take some time and you will see it's active. Here it's active, all right? And the other thing you need to check when this one is active is to make sure that this one is active as well, my friends. One thing I can tell you to do is to download the Yahoo Gemini helper. It will tell you either if the pixel is working, like a Facebook helper, it's working, not working, it's recording, and that's it, guys. That's very easy to do, and I wish all of you good luck.